Alright guys, in this video I want to show you a couple of interesting things about the Mavic Mini that I found out recently. First off, all the stuff is turned off right now. The controller is turned off, my phone is turned on, the Mavic Mini is turned off. I just wanted to show you how quickly it can get a GPS lock. And by the way, I haven't done a compass calibration since that first flight. It's never asked for it, and it has been flying perfectly since then. It's another great thing about this thing. Locks on really quick. You don't have to do compass calibration like you have to do for a lot of other drones. And then I show you a little bonus trick at the end of the video, so you want to stay tuned for that. It's going to be pretty interesting. So go ahead and I'm going to turn the controller on first. And we'll turn on the Mavic Mini. There we go. And right now the lights are blinking on the controller. It's waiting for connection. And I'll go ahead and I'll connect it to aircraft. And right now it's saying that it's not connected, so it's searching for aircraft. And it's got a little tutorial on the screen here, and it went away. And now I've got the camera. And now it says take off with caution, no GPS.
The home point has been updated.
And now it says take off permitted. I have a GPS lock, 13 satellites, so I'm not exactly sure how long that took from power on to takeoff capability. But I'll put that on the screen. Let's go ahead and take it off. I did record the phone screen here, so I'm going to take it off here. As you can see, takeoff's right away with GPS lock and very, very fast. So you know, if you're worried about a drone that's going to be sitting there on the ground for a long time, this is not one of them. This is going to be able to go fly really quickly. This was really great about the Mavic Mini.
Landing.
Alright, so the second trick I want to show you with the Mavic Mini is there's going to be situations where you just want to take off really quick, not even connect up your phone, just take a quick video, quick photo, you know, and you can do this. Now some of you DJI guys probably already know this trick. A lot of DJI Mavics, you can already do this. You can do this with the Mini too. You don't have to connect your phone up. I have no phone connected to my controller here. And you just power on the controller, power on the drone, and then you can just take off in ADI mode. You don't have to wait for a GPS lock. And I'm going to take it off with the 2 sticks down and in method, and I'm going to launch it as well. So if you're in a pinch and you just want to take some quick video or photo, you can do that. And obviously you just use the video button here or the photo button here, and it makes a little beep when it starts recording and taking photos. One thing you should be aware of, you don't want to hit the return to home button because you probably won't have a GPS lock and you don't know if you have one or not because there's no phone here. And another thing is, it's just going to be using the ground sensors to sort of maintain its position. It's going to be in attitude mode, so be aware of that. It probably doesn't have a GPS lock. It'll probably have one pretty quickly, as you probably saw previously in this video, but you don't know that for sure necessarily without the phone screen. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the controller. Turn on the Mavic Mini. And when it's waiting for a connection, it's going to be blinking. The four white lights here on the controller will be blinking. When it has a connection, then you can take off. So I'm going to wait for the connection to occur, and then I'm going to go ahead and manually take it off. So the lights have stopped blinking. That only took about 5 seconds. Go ahead and I'll take it off. So it probably already has a GPS lock. It ain't moving at all. It's rock solid. But I'm gonna go ahead and just show you that. I'll take some quick photos here. I'm gonna back it up here. And I'll take some video of me with the camera here. Prove that you can just take video right from the controller without a phone. Go ahead and stop that. Back it up a little bit. And I'll take some photos. Raise it up. Take some more photos. Spin it around here. Take another photo. And I'll put all those up on the screen. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think it already has a lock because I see a green light in the back. But I mean, even if it doesn't have a lock, it's incredibly stable regardless. So, if you're in a pinch, just want to take some really quick photos or video, you don't need to even connect up your phone, and you can just take some quick videos and photos, and you're off and running to the next spot you want to take some photos at. Anyway, hope you guys found that little tip helpful and getting some really quick videos and photos, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.